So today in this video we will talk about the different types of attacks, hacking attacks that are performing on different types of social media accounts. The popular one is phishing. If you're following our hacking course, then you should be aware about the phishing attack. So अभी क्या हो रहा है कि जैसे कोई भी फेमस पर्सनालिटी है इंस्टाग्राम पे या कहीं भी किसी भी सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म पे तो फिर उनको एक मैसेज आता है कॉपीराइट का कि आपका जो अकाउंट है वो हमारे जो रूल्स हैं उनको फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है और जो हमारे सेट ऑफ रूल्स हैं जो हमारी पॉलिसीज़ हैं उनको फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए आपके अकाउंट को बंद किया जाएगा। तो कुछ इस तरह का मैसेज आता है, hello dear that any name your name, we have received complaints of copyright infringement on your account. You need to verify and confirm your account, otherwise your account will be permanently deleted within 24 hours. We have received complaint of the same, the COVID-19, and we are here to help you even in the difficult days. Verify your account and personalize help from below, otherwise it will be closed in 24 hours and there will be no assistance to assist you. So basically कोई भी अगर ये मैसेज पढ़ेगा तो वो डर जाएगा. Anyone could be like, oh my god, my account is going to close, so they will take quick action, and me too. Everyone will take action. And there's a link, connection link, एक link दिया गया है http, actually http not s, https is not there. Those who are following our hacking course should know what is https and http difference. Okay, so it is only http link. You can see this is only http link, http copyright form helpcenter.tk. .tk is the domain name extension, .com, .in, just like that it is .tk, and hyphen and support. Okay, so .tk is not trusted domain. It is you can say the worst domain of this universe. Okay, it is not trusted, never trusted. Support. Okay, so this is the link given for following the instruction. And from Facebook you can see different fonts are there. Okay, so yeah, if we get any message on Instagram like this, we can think about it like it might be fake, but the thing what makes this message important, it is not that Facebook. The thing that makes this message important is this is a verified account. Yeah, we are getting this message from verified account. तो ये हमें जो message आता है ये verified account से आता है. So some people like they have a verified account, so people will trust this message because they are getting it from verified account, verified by Instagram. You can see this is verified. I don't know how they get it verified, but yeah, it is verified account. So when people get message from this verified account, they get distracted. They feel, oh my god, my account will get closed. They feel it is correct, and they have to take action as quick as possible, because yeah, these type of message generally sent to those who have used fan following. So let's go to that website and see what is there. So again, copyright form has helpcenter.tk support. Okay, now we are on this website. You can see the interface, जो वेबसाइट का डिज़ाइन है वो एक इस तरह से बनाया गया है कि आपको बिल्कुल ऐसा फील है कि इंस्टाग्राम का ही कोई वेबसाइट है. और इस पे देखिए क्या लिखा है, योर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट इन्फ्रिंजेस ऑन कॉपीराइट, प्लीज एंटर योर यूजर नेम टू वेरीफाई योर आइडेंटिटी. सो बेसिकली ये बता रहे हैं कि आपके अकाउंट में कुछ गड़बड़ है, इसलिए आपको वेरीफाई करना पड़ेगा वरना बंद हो जाएगा. ये एक कूल लोगो लगाया गया है इंस्टाग्राम का, जिससे और ट्रस्ट बढ़े कि हाँ ये इंस्टाग्राम है. So these people created a dummy website, a website which have a same interface like Instagram and just making you fool. So you enter your details here. Okay, so here in the bottom there's two logos available on App Store, Google Play. Okay, yeah, these are not link, not button, only images. These are only images. Okay, so these are the images, and we have this box. We can enter any name. We can enter any name, any dumb username. Like we have entered hello, like I have entered DHSAD HISA. Okay, whatever, you can enter anything, not this. Now it is saying, hello, my name, we understand the importance of your account for you, but if you do not continue to fill out the form, your account will be permanently closed. Okay, so they are just making you like you have to do it right now. तो जो नॉर्मल पीपल होंगे वो क्या करेंगे, वो डर जाएंगे और वो इसको करने में लग जाएंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें लगेगा कि अगर ये नहीं किया तो उनका अकाउंट क्लोज हो जाएगा। तो अभी क्या हुआ है, अब इसमें यूज़र नेम अपना पासवर्ड भी डाल देगा। तो यहाँ पे आपने अपना यूज़र नेम दे दिया इनको और पासवर्ड भी दे दिया है। Now you have entered your username as well as your password, and you don't know where you are entering, where it is going, where you are submitting your data. तो आपने यहाँ पे कर दिया है, अपना यूज़र नेम डाल दिया है कुछ भी। ये देखिए, ये वेबसाइट सिक्योर भी नहीं है, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दिस इज नॉट HTTPS, it is only HTTP. So these websites are never secure. Anyone in your network can get your passwords, emails, or any data. So generally the normal people get stuck in this scam. Oh, so see, now they take our username and password. Fine, they take our social media details. Now they can log in our social media account. But in this step, see, please verify your email address linked to your Instagram account. If there is no email address linked to your account, please click the skip. Okay, so they are asking our email address that we use while creating that Instagram account, and also password of that email address. So this type of phishing attacks are like, they are two level advanced. Like one is social media account and the second one is email address and password. So now we can also enter any random thing, or they thank God they provide the skip option also, like in just below the confirm account there is skip. Okay, so now we will also enter some random details here, just like we entered the random details there. So if there is no email address linked to your account, then you can skip. But now we will enter something, just some random email ID and password, just like okay, now try to confirm. Okay, so we have to use @ also, because in email address we have to use it. It is form validation by HTML. Okay, now confirm account. Oh, see, we apologize for the problem you encountered. Please do not change your information until you return, otherwise your account will be closed. Okay, so what happened here, they just send us a message from a verified account, and we think that, oh my god, something is going to wrong with our account, and we follow that link, which is phishing link, that is called phishing link. We open that website that is not secure. We provide our username, really username, and password also, the real password. Okay, and when we submit that username and password, it goes to the database of the hacker. There's a database associated with that email, username and password. तो जैसे ही हमने अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन यूजरनेम एंड पासवर्ड डाला इस वेबसाइट में, वह सीधे हैकर के पास पहुंच जाएगा, एंड hacker can see your data, username and password, and you can see after that they also ask for our email address and password, the Gmail address and password. तो अगर किसी ने वो भी अगर अपना टाइप कर दिया तो उनका Gmail का आईडी और पासवर्ड भी हैकर के पास पहुंच जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने हमसे दो चीज़ ले ली हैं, वो जो कि बहुत खतरनाक है, बहुत ही डेंजरस है। इट इज़ वेरी डेंजरस टू शेयर आवर Gmail एड्रेस विद एनीवन, बिकॉज वी क्रिएट सो मेनी थिंग्स विद Gmail. So that's how people get fooled, because they got message from trusted verified account. And see, we apologize for the problem you encountered. Please do not change your information until you return. So they are saying, don't change your any information, like do not change your password after giving to us. You can see because they will take time to log in our accounts, because if suppose 100 people fill this form, they have to see that what is right, what is wrong. Okay, so if you don't change, then they will hack your account. Simply you are hacked. आप हैक हो चुके हो अगर आपने ये सब फॉलो कर लिया है और ये पूरा. So this is phishing attack. That is how phishing get place. Phishing is actually going a lot today in today's market. Because of lockdown, people are at home, they are just using social medias and all. So this attack is very dangerous, and I hope you won't get stuck in these type of attacks. So stay safe. Bye.